comes out occasionally. There's some sheep and a gorgeous bay with a little pier to dock your fishing boat on. Behind it, it was sunny, and then all of a sudden I felt the wind blow a bit, turned round, and you could see the rain cloud and the rain coming in. I very fortunately found myself a shed just to settle under with this, which I think is charcoal, but maybe it's not. And unfortunately the bike's going to get wet, but blimey, it's it rained quickly here. I got lucky finding this little place to cover under. It's raining again. I'm sat in someone's sort of lean-to shed. It's actually just inside their driveway, but I am hoping they won't mind if I'm here. It doesn't look like anyone's in. To be fair, it looks like no one lives in the house. But yeah, it's a bit gusty, horrible. So I sit here. I do. If the roof timbers don't look too strong, and maybe it'll come in on me and get me for it. Anyway, not far now. See white horses all over. It's just over the sea. Hello, this is King Puck. No, I don't understand, but definitely King Puck.